This is my almost brand new. I've had it about, I think, a week now. It's a Eastern Nightwasp. It's pretty sick. It's got pretty much straight stock, I think. Pretty much everything's straight stock. 3-piece cranks. Uh, 9-tooth sprocket. One of the best things about this bike, I like the seat. It's pretty sick. Golden rims, which have, I can just turn it. They have Eastern writing. Eastern. Well, it's a full chromoly. I think it's called matte gray. Pretty. Taken one grip off. It's got one peg on each side. And that's pretty much it. It's 2011 edition. When I bought it, it was 11.2 pounds. I mean, 11.2 kilograms and about 28 pounds, I think it was. I've taken a break off, so, you know, not that much off really. It's still about 11 kilos. It's pretty sweet. Still need to lower the seat. It's pretty sick. Okay, thanks.